My name's Heather.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we are opening day 14 of the Cinereplicas Deluxe Harry Potter Advent Calendar.
Yep.
We are loving this so far. It's been really fun to open one a day, so let's get on into it. You better open it this time because I opened yesterday's.
That's true. Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Oh, and it has Hedwig on it. Oh, that is so cute. And Hedwig has our Hogwarts letter. Guys, this is where it's been hiding. We found it.
Oh, hey, since Hedwig's on the box, we should have our little Hedwig join us.
True. I love Hedwig. She's just so cute. Okay. Here we go. Okay, what is this?
What is that?
I don't know. Is it a cookie cutter maybe?
Oh, I bet it is.
I think it's a cookie cutter. That's what it looks like. You can kind of see it's hairy. I don't know if you can see that very well.
I like that.
I do too. I think this is really cool. And I also like, you know how when you're doing the cookie cutters and sometimes the cookie and the dough gets kind of stuck on it.
Yeah.
So I think this nice little push button will, the cookie cutter kind of pushes it down. And I think it will kind of push the cookie out.
Nice.
And hopefully there won't be any trouble with that.
Yeah,
hopefully.
that's nice.
So I really like this. It's really cute. This has got Harry with his glasses, and you can see as he's got the little lightning bolt scar, and it looks so cute. We're gonna have to try these out to make some Christmas cookies. But yeah, okay, that was a really good one, and we'll get to try that out, along with our Christmas cookie recipe that we usually make every year. So that's gonna be kind of fun. Make our Christmas cookies even that more magical.
Exactly. We will see you tomorrow with day 15.
Bye.